Here are the best reusable kitchen cloths that clean better, dry faster, and help you ditch paper towels for good. Number 1. Active Swedish Dishcloths. Active Swedish dishcloths are highly absorbent and incredibly versatile. They soak up spills fast, rinse clean easily, and dry quickly without odor. Washable, reusable, and colorful enough to organize by task, these are a great everyday swap for disposable paper towels. Number 2. Swedish Wholesale Dishcloths. This yellow set offers the same high absorbency and durability with added visibility for task separation. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, or cleaning zones. These dishcloths stay fresh, dry quickly, and replace countless paper towels over time. Number 3. Kitten Joy 100% Cotton Waffle Weave Dishcloths. These cotton dishcloths feature a waffle weave that boosts absorbency and speeds up drying. Soft yet durable, they're perfect for drying dishes, wiping counters, or everyday kitchen cleanup. The dark gray color hides stains well and keeps your kitchen looking neat. Number 4. Swedish Wholesale Dishcloths in White. These Swedish wholesale dishcloths are designed for heavy daily use. Made from high-absorbent cellulose, they wring out easily, dry fast, and resist odors. Machine washable and durable, they're ideal for dishes, countertops, and general kitchen cleaning. And number 5. Nordhus Design Swedish Dishcloths. These Swedish dishcloths are made in Sweden from a cellulose and cotton blend. They're ultra-absorbent, reusable, and replace paper towels, sponges, and dish rags. Easy to wash, quick to dry, and perfect for wiping counters, dishes, and spills while keeping your kitchen clean and eco-friendly.